Windows 11 now launch latest update KB5014697. So how to install? So guys, this is manually install, and this link I will give you in the description, so you copy paste in browser and directly download. So which one is download? So you firstly check all 416 to the latest. So this one, so you click download, click this link, and now this is downloading. So around more than bugs and more than issues fixed in these updates, your wallet, your gadget issues, your system restarting issues, some Bloodum issues. So a lot of issues fixed in this update, so please update. So AD mode issues solved, internet shortly may is not update, issue the crash, the method editing. Okay, so coffee issue also in this update. So a lot of, you just try it. Now this is installing. Actually the size is 274 MB. Then open. Now searching the update. A lot of PC automatically cannot be update this KB series, so you try manually. This is the link in description, so you just copy. Yeah, so this is already installed in my system, so that's why it's coming the error. So showing this error. The security update Windows KB5014697 is already installed on the computer. So some system is not installing, not getting the update. So please try to manually. Okay. So bye bye. Take care, and have any issue, please comment me. I will support you. Okay. Bye bye.